Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use Google Authenticator app for Binance. Google Authenticator is a two-factor authentication tool that adds an extra layer of security to your Binance account. To get started, you need to download and install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. First, open the Binance website and log into your account. Navigate to the Account section and click on the Security tab. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section and click on the Google Authenticator option. You will see a QR code on the screen. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone and click on the plus icon to add a new account. Select the Scan QR code option and point your smartphone camera at the QR code on the Binance website. The app will automatically scan the code and add your Binance account. Once you have added your Binance account to the Google Authenticator app, you will see a 6-digit code on the screen. This code changes every 30 seconds. To enable Google Authenticator on your Binance account, enter the 6-digit code on the Binance website and click on the Enable button. From now on, whenever you log in to your Binance account, you will be prompted to enter the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and prevents unauthorized access. It is also important to note that you should never share your Google Authenticator code with anyone. And make sure to keep your smartphone and the app secure. In case you lose your smartphone or the Google Authenticator app is not working, you can disable it from the Binance website by going to the Account section and clicking on the Security tab. Then scroll down to the two-factor authentication section and click on the Disable button next to the Google Authenticator option. Using Google Authenticator with your Binance account is a simple and effective way to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these steps, you can protect your account from unauthorized access and keep your funds safe.